Hi, Shreya.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi. We'll start. Everyone able to see my screen? Okay. So yesterday we had done the scripting. Okay. So after scripting is completed, so what are the script you are developed from the okay like all scripting enhancements, like it will be work with the multiple user point of view. So in that script having from the multiple test data, nothing but multiple usernames, multiple passwords. Why? Because so if you are executing from the 100 users means 100 usernames and password we need. See, realistic environment, what will happen? So my username, my password will be different, and your username and your password will be different. So that is why as the same user, if you execute from the multiple times, so it is a realistic, no, right? So why? Because so different users, like real time, what will happen? We are now three numbers will be there. For example, everyone have from the Facebook or whatever maybe. Okay. So everyone will be different username, different password. That is the way we need test with the like multiple test data with a different type of username and passwords. Like you are executing 100 users, then you need from the 100 username and passwords. Only single user you can execute from the multiple times, it will not good. Okay. So now my script is ready with the okay multiple user point of view. Then after scripting, entire scripting is completed, we need to move to the controller. So what is the controller? Nothing but we can design the scenario and execute with the multiple user point of view we are using from the controller. See, if you open the controller, this is the controller. Just open this. Yeah. So it will be open window like this. Okay. For here, we have the manual scenario, goal oriented scenario will be there. Manual scenario means manually we need to design the scenario. How many users, how much duration you want to execute. So everything we can as a manually we need to design. And goal oriented thing, but our tool itself it will decide and automatically it will be design happen. But we are never going to the goal oriented scenario. We are going with the only from the manual scenario. That is why you need to select for this. And don't select from the this also. Use the percentage mode. Why? Because so for example, you are executing three scripts, then what will happen is the load will be distributed from the as a percentage mode. Okay, but we need from the users mode, then no need to check from the that percentage. And after that, available scripts. Like what are the scripts you are completed? All scripts will be displayed here. Okay. As of now, how many scripts you are developed? All scripts will be displayed here. For example, yesterday we did from the store pet booking and 0809. This is the our script. Pet ordering, not pet booking, right? 0809. Okay. 2023, that one. Okay. We'll see here. Yeah. So you can observe like this is the our script. We are developed from the zero to everyone.
Stuck అయిపోయినట్టు.
Hello. Everyone are
So visible, Shreya.
okay. Okay. I think someone Shravani or Lakshmi is facing issue. I think Shravani.
Ah,
Yeah. Everyone is good, right?
good, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then good. Okay. Okay, so now you can see this script we are developed. If you want to miss, you can see this script name also. You can observe pet store, pet booking, and 0209. This script we are developed. This script we are pushing into the controller. So you can select that, click on add button. So it is added. Okay, we want multiple also we can add. Okay, we can discuss later. But now we can see the first this one. Okay, and click on OK button. Okay, so see it is loading from the controller. So once you can click on OK button, what is the script you are given? That is the in the scenario group, it will display from the scenario. This is that, and this is the script path. Means where is the your script, and it will show from the quantity and nothing, but it's a one user as of now, and we have the load generator. So I already told we have one more component is a load generator. What is the load generator means? It will be generate the load against to the application. So if you are executing from the number of users, we need to add from the load generators also. We need to add. Okay. And we have the scenario schedule will be there. And okay, here is we need to design the scenario. Like if you click this, okay, here how many user you want to execute. Okay, we need to mention from the number of users. Okay, for example, I am giving from the 10 users. Okay, and here just we are giving from the every 2 users, every 0 2 seconds I give it. I will explain this one also. Okay, but just you can observe just 10 users, and duration also very important. For example, I am running from the 0 to minutes. Like here we can run from the day wise we can run, or hour wise, like 2 hours, 3 hours. How many hours we want we can execute. See, hours, minutes, seconds. So you need to give from the these details and click on OK. And this is the stop user condition. Okay. Here also I am giving from the every 2 users, every 0 2 seconds. Okay, now you can see here. So design means this is the design. Okay, see now 10 users. It is a ramp upping. Ramp up nothing but user will be gradually increasing. So that is why here start user nothing but ramp up. Like even every 2 users will be ramp up every 2 seconds. Means you can observe here. First is a 0. After that, after 2 seconds, 2 users. After 2 seconds, again 2 users. That is why 4 users. And after 2 seconds, again 6 users. And after 2 seconds, again 2, again 8. So totally, see 8 minutes, all 10 users will be ramp up. So ramp up nothing but users will be gradually increasing. See in real time also what will happen? All users will be at a time it will attack, no right? So someone will be login, someone is doing from different. So like they will be gradually increasing the load. Like you can observe 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, Facebook will be like very less users. After 12, it is will be somewhat will be increase the load. So means same way we need to design the scenario. Okay, ramp up. This is the ramp up. Every 2 users, every users are increased. And this is the duration. So how much duration I given? 2 minutes duration given. So here to here is a 2 minutes duration. You can observe here 8 seconds happen from all 10 users will be ramp up. And after that 2 minutes I executed. 2 minutes 8 seconds. And after that again we are given from the stop condition also. Every 2 users will be every 2 seconds will be down. You are given. So that is why how they are ramp up again ramp down. Ramp down nothing but user will be gradually reducing the load. Like for example, you can observe here 8 users. So here will be 10 users. After that, 2 users down. And again, 6 users, again, 4 users, again, 2, again, 0 users. Means users will be gradually reduced the load to the application. So we can design the scenario like ramp up and duration, and this is the ramp down, ramp up, ramp down, duration and ramp down. So we can call it as a elapsed time, ramp up, ramp down, and duration we can call it as a elapsed time. Okay, so means our scenario we can design from the ourselves as per our convenient. Okay, for example, you have the 100 users will be there. For example, you are doing from the 100 users. So how to we can design? This is the example, some load test. Load test means we can explain from the what is the load test and all we can explain later. But just we are doing from the load test, that is the 1 hour duration. 1 hour duration. Now you need to design the scenario. Design nothing but this is the like start users and duration, and now start users. We can call it as a ramp up and duration and ramp down. So now like every, okay, now 100 users, right? Every 20 users, okay, ramp up every 2 seconds. Then total users will be how much time it will take? Total 100 users. So means every 20 users will be ramp upping. Means every time 20 users will be increasing. 100 by 20 means how many? 5. Means how many spikes will come? Spike like this, it will come from the 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it will come. Why? Because 100 by 20 and 5 users. So 5 into 2 means total 10 seconds only all users will be coming to the picture. That is the ramp up. So this ramp up, so you are decided 20 users. Can I decide myself how much is exactly we want? Means we have the, we are doing from the any kind of number of users. So it will be not more than 2 minutes is the our ramp up. Means if you are designing means based on from the don't cross from the more than 2 minutes from the ramp up. For example, you can observe you are given only every 2 users. Ramp up every 2 seconds. Then 100 by 2 means how many? 50. 50 into 2, how many seconds?
100 seconds.
Huh?
100 seconds.
100 seconds means total will be 1 minute 40 seconds. Means that is also fine. But don't cross from the, okay, that is also fine. 1 minute 40 seconds. Okay, that is also fine because as per our, we are not made the more than 2 minutes. That's fine. But you are given from the, okay, we can increase somewhat. 2 users ramp up every 3 seconds. Then
150 seconds.
150. 150 means what?
2
2
minutes.
minutes
2 minutes 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Means as per our, we are more than that. So that is not accepted. So based on that, we need to design the scenario like this. So what you did, ramp up, same thing we can do from the ramp down also. Every ramp up, ramp down we can do. Ramp down every 2 seconds. Again, same 1 minute 40 seconds. It is complete. And the duration what? What is the duration? 1 hour. So our test total execution, how much time it will take? Test time 1 hour. This 1 minute 40, 1 minute 40. How much? 3 minutes 20 seconds, right? 1 minute
3 minutes
40
20
and 1
seconds.
minute 40, 3 minutes
20 seconds.
20 seconds. So, means your execution will be completed fully, including from the ramp up, ramp down. So, 1 hour, 3 minutes, 20 seconds, it will execute. So, like this, we can design the scenario in the controller. So, very important. So, how to we can design also very important. So, that will be based on from the this only. More don't give from the ramp up, ramp down will be more than 2 minutes. Within the 2 minutes, that's fine. Up to 2 minutes, maybe users, you have very many users, 1 lakh users. Up to like exactly 2 minutes is fine. Okay. So interview will be asked question like I have the 1 lakh users. Design the scenario. How do we can design scenario? For example, now we have the 1 lakh is this is the 1 lakh users. Load test for 1 hour only. Okay. And every ramp up every 2 users only. If you give 2 users, then it will be take from the more time. Okay. 5,000 into 2 seconds means 1,000 seconds that. It's a more than 2 minutes. It's not accept. Then what I can do means I can do from the 200 users. Every 200 users will be every 2 seconds. Count it. 500, right? 500 into 2. 100 seconds. 100 seconds means so how do you are calculate means first of all ramp up you are calculating means total users. Okay, for example 1 lakh users. Okay, okay 1 lakh users by how many ramp up you are giving 200 and equal to so these two is cancel and 2 5s are how much 10 and 5 zeros means 500 it will come. 500 into again 2 seconds. Then 1,000 seconds. 1,000 seconds means what? How much? We can convert as a minutes. How much it will come? Okay. So how much it will come? By 60 only you can do. Then you will get. How many seconds you will get? How much? How many minutes? 1,000.
16 minutes.
60 minutes. Okay. Then
16 minutes 66 seconds.
66 seconds. Okay. So miss, it is accept as per our criteria?
No.
No. Then what we can do? We can increase the again 200 to 2,000 you can try. Now you can try with the 2,000. Then it's a 50 and 100. See, it's fine. 100 seconds means 1 minute 40 seconds. As per our expectation, we are meet or not. Right? Got it? So means based on that, we can design the scenario like this. Then 1 minute 40 seconds. Then fine. Because that is not more than 2 minutes. So based on from the number of users and based on from the ramp up how much you are giving and ramp down how much you are giving based on that and every 2 seconds. If we give from the more than 4 seconds, then what will happen? It is will be increased from the your ramp up ramp down. Like this, we can design the scenario in controller, or we have the one more also will be there tool performance center. We can call it as a performance center LRE. Okay, load runner enterprise. We can call it as a same here. What we are doing in the controller, same thing we can do. What is difference from the performance center to controller means, okay, for here it is a desktop based application controller, but performance center is the like web based application means anyone can maybe open from the anywhere. But this one, if you install your machine, only we can use from the here only. Okay, so we can discuss that also. Okay, this is the way we can design the scenario. Now, just now what I'm doing is I'm not executing more than that, just 10 users. And I given from the here, every 10 users, every users will be 2 seconds. Because we don't have much time, right? Just 2 minutes duration I given. So, and observe here, we have the design will be there, run will be there. Design nothing but you have to design the scenario. How many users, how much duration, what is the ramp up, what is the ramp down, you need to decide from the here as a design. Run nothing but you need to execute the test. Just click from the start scenario. Your execution will be start here. Along with you are able to see the how many users running, what is the time. Elapsed time nothing but system. Once you can start scenario, it will count from the 1 second onwards. Like is the test duration, entire test duration, it will calculate. And you have the hit per second. Hit per second means how many hits it is happening to the application. Each and every click we can call it as hits. And how many past transactions happening, how many failed transaction, if you are getting any errors. And you can observe here, now it is a down is the, this is the scenario you are executing. How many users you are given, here it is displayed, and 10 users now down status. Once you can click on this, it is going to the initial status, initialize, and after that ready, and final will be run. Run nothing but the 2 minutes duration it will execute from the all users will be again and again it will execute. And we can see the graphs also, running user, transaction response time, throughput, hit per second. So we'll discuss. Okay, just like I'm running this. So you can observe when I click this, right, it is coming to the, see every two users will be increasing. Why? Because I given as a two user initialization and run. Now all users will be running, and you can observe here it is a count is starting from the seconds, and how many hits it is happening from the last 60 seconds. How many past transactions happen? How many errors we have? So we want to see the errors. You can click on this. It will be display from the errors also. Okay, some 500 internal server. So 500 internal server means it is a application side issue. So application is not responding from the properly. And you can observe is the past transactions. And here you can observe this is the running user graph, like we are design, right? Ramp up, duration. Now it is going to the duration. After 2 minutes completed, down the users, one by one users. That is the running user. Transaction response time is what are the transactions we have? All transactions will be, we can see here. See, paste or launch, proceed to checkout. What is the time? It is a 1 minute, or we can consider from the, is the maximum, this minimum is average. We are consider from the average. What is the average response time? So by running also we can observe, okay, any one of the transactions taking from the more than or not, we can observe during the test here. And okay, and we have the throughput will be there. What is the throughput? Nothing but, so, okay, like some bytes will be received from the server. Server side, we will get from the some bytes. That count is the throughput, it is calculated. Okay. And this is the hit per second. How the hits is hitting, you can observe. Like hits will be, it is happening from the like this. Hit is and down, again hitting, again hit down. It means hits is happening like this. See, gradually existing. Means already 2 minutes is completed. That is why users will be gradually down. Means your test execution will be stop. Means all users will be completed. It will stop your test. See, your test will stop. All 10 users completed. And here also we can observe total positive transactions will be 1337. You got from the 2 failed transactions. So, and here also one thing is important. your test is a valid, invalid. How we can decide means based on from the number of failed transactions. How many failed transactions happen? Two happen. So we are accept from the until okay 1 to 3% of the past transaction. Okay. So for example, 3% of the 1337 transaction. How much? Example, we are consider 3% errors will be fine. Then just we are calculating from the okay percentage 1337
40.
transactions into okay and 3% by 100. See 40 means if it is a 40 errors, then your test will be invalid. But this is the only two users means so 0 point some 00 something 1 or 2% only means your test will be valid only. See, maybe it is a more than as per 3% of the transactions are failed. Like failed transactions, you are observed 40. Your test is invalid. Then what we can do means we'll go to the script exactly where we are getting and we need to fix that issue. For example, now we are observed two errors. Those will be 500 errors. So these two errors, what is these errors we want to see means you can click here. We can see here. So these pestor, for example, actions, order action, new order and confirmed. When you are clicking from the confirmed, there you are getting from the this error. You can observe in our application issue. This is the same our script also. If you execute from the multiple times here, is the 500 error it's coming. So this error also very important. This error coming from the application, this error coming from the our tool, we need to decide. Okay. So if you go to the application and manually you need to access, okay, this application we are getting from the 500 error or not, you need to check. Then application is fine. We need check from the script level. Okay, in the scripting enhancements, what we did anywhere is some like correlation is missed, some headers will miss or not, we need to check. Okay. So this is the way we need to execute from the in the execution in the controller or in perform center, same way we can execute. And one thing, so after test is completed, we should analyze the results means current results you want analyze means click on results, click on analyze the results. Then our one more component is the analyzer. It will automatically, it will open and our results will be load. So this part will be very important for you because yourself you need to design some the scenarios number of and you can do. But here design point of view is fine, but more than 50 users we can't execute from the here because we don't have from the more than 50 user license. This is the only 50 users up to is the free. If you want more than that means we need from the buy the license from the as a load runner. Okay, right now it is okay. Now open text is the owner of the load runner. So we need to buy the license from there. We want more than 50. That is why companies will be buy the license from the based on from the number of users. I want to execute 2000 users, then they will buy the 2000 users license. So based on from the users count, they will be buy the license from the okay in load runner tool. Okay. See now our see our results file will be open. This is the load runner analysis. Okay. And you can observe this is the time I executed like 8 o'clock, 8:31 I executed. Total duration should be 2 minutes 26 seconds happen. Okay. And now you can see the this is the scenario we are design. How you are design scenario. Like every 2 users will be ramp up. And after that execution is will be 2 minutes. And after that ramp down. And for here, we can observe. Okay. So main thing, we'll discuss everything also. Main thing you can observe, we need to check from the each and every transaction as per our client expectation is the 2 second is the our client expectation. So average of these 10 users, any one of the transaction, it is a more than 2 second or not, we need to observe. You can observe any transaction is the more than 2 second. See, first of all, you need to come with the launch. See, launch is the 1.338 is the average, then fine. And after that, login 0.823. And after that, click on pet 0.158. And after that, we can product. Click on the product. Where is the product? Yeah, add to cart. Yeah, this one. See, this one also we can observe. So I'm concentrating only from the average. So minimum means it will be very minimum, it will go. Maximum means it will maximum also it will go. So that is why we can't consider from the this minimum maximum values. Only average we can consider. So if any one of the transaction is the more than 1 second, 2 second.
No, Srinath.
No, right?
No, no,
Means
yeah.
means your results will be good. Then we can report to the team. Okay, we are executed 10 users. Test went good. All transactions are within our expected response time. Please find the below results. Just you can put from the as a table from the this all details. Then your job will be done. When is our job will be risk? Means risk nothing but we need to continue from our job. After this means maybe this transaction confirm will be it is taken from the 2.32. Even just 2.3 to 3.2 seconds only, right? Client will accept means he will be never accept because his expectation should be if any number of user access also it will be not more than 2 seconds. That is the is consideration. So then we need to check from the parameters like it is a CPU memory problem, it is a network issue, it is a database issue, or it is application side issue. So this all we need to check. Okay. So for here, any doubts from the design and runtime? So what is the your job next means yourself you can design from the number of scenarios. Okay, I will give from the scenarios also you three guys. Okay, don't do from the execution end. Just you can design this and send from the screenshot to me. Okay, just you can design from the like this and these two and send from the screenshot or in picture you can send. I will give from the scenarios. Okay. First scenario will be 1,000 users. Second scenario should be 5,000 users. And third should be 15,000 users. And fifth scenario should be okay, don't execute. So if you execute also, it will not execute because we have license only 50 users license. It's a free of cost. Okay. Now we can execute from the 50,000. Okay. Final try with the 1 lakh also you can try. So these scenarios you need to design and send from the here. Like design point of view, no worry, we can do it here. Okay, but execution point will be not accept and I will show you design point also it will accept or not, we'll check here. For example, we'll give from the 1 lakh also. Okay, 1 lakh I given and we'll give from the every 200 fine or 2,200 is fine. Okay, and every 2 second I given. So just you can design from the like this, and you can observe from the, okay, is there, you can observe. Otherwise, you are unable to designing here because it is a more than license, right? It is not responding or anything. It is then just you can design from the here like this, ramp up and ramp down and duration, and send from the this screenshot to me. Okay, got it? It is not responding. The application is not responding. The program may responding again if you want to wait. Okay, I'm ending process. If you try, if you are able to do it, you can do it. Otherwise, in the notepad, you can do it. Okay. So thank you for joining, and we'll catch from the tomorrow and we'll continue our classes. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Sriram. Thank you,
Yeah.
team.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.